ready to dive in. Today we're tackling something pretty big, blockchain. But, and here's the twist.
Yeah.
We're not talking crypto.
Right.
We're going deeper, way deeper, into how blockchain's messing with, messing with, I guess is a good way to put it, with supply chains.
I like that. Yeah. Messing with is a good word because it really is shaking things up.
Yeah, shaking things up, changing the game, whatever you want to call it. And I mean, this is the backbone of how we get, well, everything, right?
It is the backbone. And you know what's so fascinating to me about this whole thing? It's the transparency that blockchain brings to the table.
Okay, yeah. Unpack that a little.
All right. So think about it.
Yeah.
Supply chains, they're massive, right? I mean, we're talking global networks.
Absolutely, yeah.
Tons of players, moving parts, opaque often,
Yeah.
But blockchain, it's like shining a light on the whole process.
Okay, so, like, I can suddenly see where my stuff's actually coming from.
Exactly. And not just you, everyone. It's like this shared record,
Okay.
Everyone can see it. Makes it, well, a lot harder to cheat the system. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No more shady stuff slipping under the radar, right?
Yeah, and that's huge. It's not just about tracing stuff back to the source either.
Okay, so what else? What else can it do?
Well, let's say there's a problem, right? Like a food recall. Big one.
Okay, yeah, I've seen those headlines. Scary stuff.
Yeah, it is. And figuring out where things went wrong, it can be a nightmare.
Oh, I bet. I mean, tracking everything back through the whole chain.
It's a mess. But with blockchain, you can pinpoint exactly where the problem popped up.
Yeah.
It's all right there in the record.
Wow, so that's going to save time, money, maybe even lives.
Absolutely. It's about efficiency, safety, all of that.
Okay, so it sounds like a win-win, but I got to ask.
Yeah.
There's got to be a catch, right?
Well, there are always challenges with new tech, right? Especially when you're talking about something this big. One thing is, can it handle it all? We're talking billions of transactions every day. Can blockchain keep up?
That's a good point. I mean, it sounds great in theory, but
Yeah.
the real world's a different beast.
Exactly. And then there's the whole issue of getting everyone on board.
Right, because what good is this amazing system if nobody's using it?
Exactly. You need buy-in from everyone, the whole supply chain, for it to really work.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And let's be real, that's not always easy.
No, not at all, especially when you think about, competition between companies and
Oh, absolutely.
even countries.
There's a lot of incentive to,
Keep things close to the vest.
Exactly, proprietary information and all that. But then you've got this counter movement. The consumer side of things.
Okay, yeah, tell me about that.
People are getting smarter, more aware.
Oh, for sure.
They're asking questions, demanding to know where their stuff comes from, how it's made.
Yeah, that's definitely true. I mean, I know why.
Exactly. And that demand for transparency, that's putting pressure on companies to change.
To open up, to be more accountable.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And blockchain, it's a tool that can help them do that.
Okay, so it sounds like there's this kind of push and pull happening, right? Like companies may be hesitant on one side, consumers demanding more on the other, and blockchain's stuck in the middle.
In a way, yeah. It's like this potential solution waiting for the world to figure out how to use it.
So where does that leave us? I mean, is blockchain the future of,
Of supply chains?
Yeah.
It's hard to say for sure. It has the potential, absolutely. But whether it becomes the standard, that depends on a lot of factors,
Yeah. No, I hear you.
But it's definitely a conversation worth having, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And something I think everyone should be thinking about. Like, next time you buy something,
Yeah.
think about its journey,
Yeah.
Like where it came from, how it got to you, and ask yourself, could blockchain have played a part in that story? And if so, what does that mean for you, for the product, for the world?
Yeah, it's a lot bigger than just a technology, isn't it?
It really is. So yeah, keep those questions in mind, folks. And
happy shopping.
Yeah, happy shopping. But, shop smart, shop consciously.
Shop blockchain.
Shop blockchain. There you go.